In this video, we'll show you how to deploy SMA on AWS with EKS using the installation portal. Please note that this video only contains brief steps. More configurations may be needed depending on your own environment. Run the commands from the SMA Help Center to deploy the Bootstrap. Then, configure a network load balancer for the installation portal. Now, use the admin credentials to log into the SMA installation portal. Select the Sui metadata package on your local machine, and then click Upload. Select the Sui installation version, and then click Next. On the Capabilities page, select the capabilities you want to install. Configure the database for CDF IDN. Enter the external access hostname and port that will be used to access the Sui user interface. On the File Storage page, configure NFS volumes required for the CDF and Sui installation. The installation portal will check and download the container images. If any images are missing, follow the steps in the SMA Help Center to download the required images. Continue the deployment. Create a configuration for each external database server so that you can assign configuration to one or more Sui components later. After the Sui installation finishes, create a network load balancer or NLB for port 443 and register NLB's IP addresses to the target group created for port 443. Create a network load balancer for port 5443 and register its IP addresses to the target group for port 5443 with similar steps. Now you can start the journey of SMA. For more information about the SMA installation, visit the SMA Help Center.